Alright, I guess I've been pretty impressed with this product so far, so I'm going to do just a small little review. That's rubber all over the car. All that black from Viper Rendezvous. Yeah, I haven't had time to clean the car. It's been sitting in here pretty much all month, so last week. So, even with the rag that has been used so far, you go wipe it. I mean, that stuff's on there pretty good. It's got a little bit of chemical on it, so I can scrub and wipe it off. But what I'm gonna do here is what the instructions say. Is spray it down good. Honestly, not sure how it's gonna affect the vinyls, but they're just stick-on numbers. I'm not too worried about them if I have to take them off. But I've had that much black on that back corner there, and as you can see, there's not really anything. So figured I'd do. And what this is it's Mother's R3. It's supposed to be race rubber remover. So, which I work with a rubber every day at a belt facility, and we have stuff called Odine, which breaks down rubber pretty fast. So I bet it's just something like that, just a watered down version. But it says to spray it on there and wait 30 seconds, and everywhere else it has just been wiping off. Like it's kind of amazing. The rubber is on there pretty good, and then you just wipe over it. Car is ceramic coated and everything like that, so before last event I was able to take it to the car wash and use a little elbow grease and get stuff off pretty easy. But this just is another step. My thing is probably not the best to get on the tire. I have a feeling it might be a little detrimental to tires. So it's been on there for a few seconds. And just like that, everything just wipes right off. And down here, the big heavy stuff. Just pretty much just wipes right away. So if you enjoy tracking your car and then don't enjoy the headache of trying to scrub it down and get the rubber off of it, it's a good product. It's working pretty good so far. Mother's R3. Of course, it's from Mother, so what do you expect? They're always going to put something out that works. All right, have a good evening. God bless.